So in this example, we're going to see how to use a bar graph to help us find an initial value. And then we're going to practice doing this algebraically on a practice sheet. So a gym costs $33 per month after an initial fee. At 6 months, you'd paid a total of $228. We're going to use this bar graph to work backwards and find the initial fee, which would be our cost at 0 months. So since we paid at the 6-month mark $228, I've drawn this bar to represent that cost, $228, at 6 months. We're going to continue to work backwards until we get a bar at the 0-month mark. So the first bar that I would place would be at the 5-month mark. Right now my bars are the same height, but that would mean that they're paying the same price for 5 months and 6 months. Since I know it's $33 per month, what I would have to do is I would have to lower the level of this bar by $33. And I'm not going to be perfect, but we'll see what would be $33 less than $228. That would be $195. Then I could drag another bar over, but again, that's the same height, or it's actually taller, so I need it to be shorter. I also want to make sure that my distances are relatively equal in terms of these steps, because I'm increasing each month the same amount, or if I'm going backwards, I'm actually decreasing. And so then I can label my next amount of $162. And I can keep working in this fashion until I find the cost or the height of the bar for 0 months. Go ahead and give that a try. So if I continue to work back in this way, you can see that each time my bar is getting lower and lower by $33. And it's important to try to keep, like we said, these rises on the bars, kind of like rise on a slope, the same distance. And that would mean that finally by the time we get back to 0 months, we would have paid $30. If you're paying $30 but haven't been to the gym for any number of months, that must mean that $30 is your initial membership fee.